You can take it to the side like that. This one looks good. I mean, the hair is so full, you can tilt it wherever you want it and it's just going to obey. Hi lovelies, welcome back again to the channel. I remain my humble self, mom and pretty Imisi, and today's video we're gonna be doing this cute crochet hair. Honestly lovelies, I'm going to be doing something fantabulous today I have not done in a very long time, and you cannot afford to miss today's video. So grab your seat, sit tight, get your water, get your snack, cross your legs, and let's do this hair together. You all know I love crochet because it is super fast and stress-free. So today I'm showing you another crochet that I love using so much, and that is from ULA Hair. And if you're someone like me who loves to do something really quick, I bet you want to sit down and watch this video. So let's get started, and we're going to be looking at it together. This is how the package comes. If you get their hair, you're going to be having this. Now open it to see what is in there. Yes, so a stretchy band, this customized ULA hair. Because it's crochet hair, you might feel like styling it in a different way, so they added this hairband right here. Crochet pin. And to the hair of the day, this is what we're talking about. I have 3 packs of which are all different in texture. This hair cap in case. Not the least, the comb. I have 2 of which are Pixie coils and 1 which is the multi-textured Kinky coily. So I'm doing a mix match of these 3. So here is the Pixie coils right here. By mere looking at it, you could tell for sure that this is Pixie coils. 2 of the Pixie coils right here. Yes, so this is the Kinky coily. So we're gonna be doing mix match. They kind of like look the same, but they are not the same. The texture of this one is thicker. The texture of these 2 kind of like softer and milder. So we're gonna be combining these 3 together to make my crochet hair. So let's go. I usually like sectioning my hair into 4 sections. That way it is faster and it is stress-free for me. I'm gonna just part my hair in half like this. Of course, you're gonna need a mirror right in front of you, so it's gonna help you style your hair. So I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do this. Let's go. First, this is so possible. You can get it on. Let's divide these in half as well. Put your hand in here. Grab this other one. Start braiding. There we go. All the way. And once you're here, you're gonna leave it like this. So we're gonna keep braiding it all the way to the back like this. Because we're at the back, you remember this one we kept open, we're gonna add it. Like that, and we're gonna leave. pretty easy. Now let's go ahead and start installing the crochet strands. I think I'm gonna start with the Kinky coily at the back, and then I can put the Pixie coils on top. 5 rings right here. See, there's the double loop, and the strand right there is very tiny. See that? You can double it like this. I'm gonna be tripling it, so I have 3 strands, and I'm going to crochet into my hair starting from the back. Very here. I installed 1 ring of Kinky coily, which was like 20 strands. So I'm going to open this Pixie coily. So I'm going to be mix matching it. I'm also going to be tripling it. Let's go ahead. This is triple. I was thinking I should just close it up a little up to here so we can have this like a different style. Okay, so this is what I have. I want to take it to the back, you know what I mean. I love it when hair is so full. I mean, when your hair is so full on you, you know, it gives you this beauty. Honestly, this is the first style we came up with, and you can take it to the side like that. This one looks good. What do you think? I like this one too. Look at it. Mwah! As well. I mean, the hair is so full, you can tilt it wherever you want it, and it's just going to obey. This is cute. I love it. I love it so much. I love it. Look at Coils. Look at it. It's so cute. Okay. And one last style, Lovelies. Let's see. There's one part in here to release that style. Lovelies. What do you think? So this is so cute too. All right, lovelies, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. If you found it very helpful, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Kindly share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.